I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Discord. For that, first of all, open up your Discord app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you'll see the option of register. Tap on it. You can either sign up with your phone number or with your email. For now, I'm going to sign up with my email. Enter your email ID and then tap on next. Now you'll have to enter a username and set a password. When you're done, tap on next. Now you'll have to enter your birth date. After you're done, select create an account. If you want Discord to send you notification, tap on allow. If not, tap on maybe later. This way you can easily sign up on Discord. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.